morning everyone, myself Kanchan Dashrath Gangole.
Myself Sakshi Shashkambi.
Myself Sejal Parasab Shinde.
Myself Samruddhi Mahesh Shinde from Kekiwal Junior College, Kansai.
Today we are here to show you science exhibition and the topic of our project is community health and protection against communicable diseases. The first question that arrives in your mind is what is meant by communicable diseases? The diseases that spread from one person to another by various ways like with contact with blood, through air and bodily fluid is called as communicable diseases. The most commonly diseases in this present period is COVID-19. And the other examples of communicable diseases are HIV, Hepatitis and influenza. In winter 2019, the coronavirus were emerged in Wuhan, China. As compared to other countries, the rate of cases of coronavirus is less in India, but the government and the people of India had to face a lot of challenges because of the thousands of people were killing and passing out in a day.
Nowadays, the more importance is given to mental and physical health. To increase mental and physical health, the most effective way is yoga. Yoga boosts the immune system of the body. We must include pranayam in our daily life. Pranayam and exercises strengthen our respiratory system. Now the question arises in the mind of people that how COVID-19 spread, which is an example of communicable disease. So COVID-19 spread between people when an infected person is in contact with another person. The virus spread from infected person's mouth, nose when he or she cough or sneeze.
Now I am going to tell comparison between urban area and rural area. The spread of communicable diseases such as COVID-19, influenza is more in urban areas as compared to rural areas. The rate of pollution is also more in urban areas as compared to rural areas. Therefore, the immunity power of people living in rural area is more than the people living in urban area. Therefore, the risks of COVID-19 is more in urban areas. Now, in urban areas, the people are working in banks, offices, etc. on mobiles and laptops. Therefore, their physical fitness is weak. On the other hand, the people living in rural areas are working in field. Therefore, their physical fitness is more and they can easily overcome the communicable diseases such as COVID-19 and influenza. Now, I am going to tell some technological development which help in overcoming the spread of communicable diseases. First one is work from home, then video conferencing. By video conferencing, we can avoid the gathering of people in meeting hall, etc. Third one is robotics. We can develop robots to avoid person-to-person contact in hospitals and in public places. Next one is telemedicine. The telemedicine is used to treat the people who are living in remote areas. Next one is autonomous vehicles and drones. With the help of this technology development, we can carry the essential goods automatically. Next one is temperature monitoring with the help of technology. It is used in public places to measure the temperature. Next one is e-medical. We can online take advice of doctors.
There are some preventive measures for the COVID-19 as well as for the communicable diseases. That is to wash your hand with soap or alcohol-based hand sanitizer, to maintain safe distance from the person who is suffering from sneezing or coughing, to cover your mouth with mask in a public places where social distancing is not possible, to avoid touching to your eyes, nose as well as mouth. If you have fever or sneezing, coughing or difficulty in breathing, then stay at home and immediately advise to the doctor attention. And these preventive measures are not essential for only COVID-19 as well as for the communicable diseases. Thank you.
Thank you.